Yeah, this is IC Trades, and we are looking at the pound versus the dollar, that is the GBPUSD pair. And now we are looking at the weekly time frame to try to understand what the price has been up to. So I have some notes here, but we can see from this point that price did a liquidity grab, created a swing low here, invalidating this BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. From the previous week, we can see that we had a bearish candle down to that closed below a short-term low and below this inversion fair value gap. So now this is an inversion fair value gap. Since price did not respect the buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance, when price was delivered, it did not go to the upside. Price instead closed below. So now the BC becomes an inversion fair value gap. So this the weekly candle closed inside the previous week's candle, and it did not break to the downside, nor that to the upside. So we can say that this candle consolidated inside this previous day's candle. So from our notes, we can see that this is a bearish retracement, where we can see price has taken a short-term swing high here as a liquidity grab. Price consolidates. The next point here is price consolidates, then a displacement to the downside with a candle close below a short-term low and a buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance. So this is the candle that closes below a short-term low and a BC. The week's candle consolidates inside the previous week's bearish candle. So this is where we are. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that we have a CB that formed here, though it's small, but then we can see a CB that has formed here, and we have sell side resting below this candle here. IC Trades.